Your attic needs to breathe, and two different kinds of vents work together to make that happen. Watch this short video to learn the difference between intake and exhaust vents, why your roof needs both, and what happens to your shingles when the balance is off. First, let's talk about what roof ventilation actually does. Ventilation is simply the movement of air in and out of your attic. Cooler air comes in and warm, moist air goes out. It runs on a natural cycle. Warm air rises and escapes near the peak of the roof, and as it leaves, cooler outside air gets drawn in down near the eaves to replace it. When that airflow is working properly, it keeps heat and moisture from building up in your attic. Since these two factors can quietly shorten a roof's usable lifespan, airflow is an essential part of helping your roof last as long as possible. Intake and exhaust vents do opposite jobs. Here's how they're different. Intake vents sit low on the roof, usually in the soffits under your eaves. Their job is to pull cooler outside air into the attic. Exhaust vents sit high, at or near the ridge. Their job is to let the warm, humid air that collects at the top escape. The most common kind of exhaust vent is a ridge vent, which runs along the peak of your roof. The most common kind of intake vent is a soffit vent, which is tucked under the eaves. It's important to remember that neither type of vent works well without the other. Your exhaust vents can't pull warm air out efficiently if there's no intake feeding fresh air into the system. That's why functioning attic ventilation requires both kinds. As a rule of thumb, you want a roughly even split, about 50% intake and 50% exhaust. You should also have about 1 square foot of vent for every 300 square feet of space in your attic. When the intake is undersized, the exhaust vents get starved. Think of it like drinking through a straw and pinching it in the middle. The whole system loses efficiency no matter how good the exhaust vents are. And when ventilation is off balance, the damage doesn't stay in the attic. Trapped heat and moisture build up against the underside of the roof deck. That raises attic humidity and accelerates thermal cycling, which is the daily expansion and contraction of your shingles. It can also deplete the natural oil that keeps your shingles flexible. The result is that your shingles age prematurely and do not last as long. Good ventilation slows all of that down, but it can't reverse the oil loss that's already happened inside aging shingles. The best way to maintain a roof with aging or brittle asphalt shingles is by replenishing the oils they have lost, which restores their flexibility and extends the roof's lifespan. Roof Maxx uses a safe, all-natural solution to replenish these oils after a quick tune-up to address minor issues. This comprehensive maintenance service adds 5 years of usable life per treatment to suitable asphalt shingle rooftops and can cost up to 80% less than full roof replacement. Think of it this way: ventilation protects your roof from the inside, and Roof Maxx protects your shingles from the outside. Together, they help your roof last as long as possible. If you're not sure whether your attic is properly ventilated, make it part of a full roof health check. And while you're at it, find out whether your asphalt shingle roof is a strong candidate for Roof Maxx. Some roofs can accept up to 3 consecutive Roof Maxx treatments, extending their usable lifespan by 15 years. Find a dealer near you by visiting roofmaxx.com.